So I've seen a lot of those kind of glow up videos circling around YouTube, and I think they're so interesting and so fun. So that's what I'm going to be filming today, is kind of my maintenance routine slash glow up with me. But yeah, it's basically just everything I do to kind of maintain my appearance and feel confident and things of that nature. But the only difference is I'm going to be doing a lot of it, pretty much the majority of it, myself. In those videos I noticed, I don't know like who these girls on YouTube are getting paid by, but like I cannot afford to go and get like everything done by somebody else. Like I have to do a lot of it myself because
I'm poor.
Anyways, so I do a few things outside of my house and like have somebody else do them. Like my nails I get done. These are the current state of my nails. Focus. Oh my gosh. So these are my natural nails. I just get pink acrylic, and the reason I get acrylic, not dip or gel, is because gel always peels off my nail. It just doesn't stick no matter how much they buff it. I get my hands wet too much, I think, and it just lasts maximum 2 days and then it starts chipping, so that's really annoying. And dip I like and I don't have any issue with, but the only thing is I hate that you can't get it filled. Now I know in some places you can fill dip, but where I live nobody does it, so I get acrylic because I can't be paying $40 every 2 weeks. That is way too expensive, and that's, yes, how much it costs where I get my nails done to get dip nails. So I'll pay $40 like once a month, maybe once. I can sometimes take it further than that. These I've had on for about, I guess, 2 weeks now, so they're definitely in need of a fill, but when I get a fill it only costs like 20 bucks, so then it lasts me twice as long when I get acrylic, which is really nice. So first thing I do at home is my nails, and I know I just said that I go and get them done, but I don't know what it is. Also, I'm complaining a lot about Savannah today, but it just kind of like, I'm used to Texas, everything was so good there, and now I just don't like how things are done here. And every time I go to get my nails done, no matter what, they do not trim or push down my cuticles, and it drives me crazy. I've asked them to, and they said that they can't, or like they don't know how. And I looked it up, and it's because actually I think in Georgia you're not allowed to because of some sort of like safety precaution or something, because you can bleed and get funguses and stuff. They won't push my cuticles down because of whatever. Anyways, it annoys me because I like having it really close to my nails so I can get the most wear out of my nails for as long as possible. So yeah, that's what I do. I just take some grapeseed oil and I put that all on my cuticles, and I let it soak in a warm water dish for like no longer than a minute, and then I just push all my cuticles back. So I'll be showing you guys that right now. Okay, so I just pushed back on my cuticles and I just reapplied some cuticle oil to them. I do that every night before I go to bed just to keep them nice and healthy and moisturized, because I have really, really dry skin. So now I'm just gonna go get my nails filled and possibly get like a cool iridescent layer over them. I haven't decided yet, but yeah. Okay, you guys, so I just finished getting my nails done. I got like a cool iridescent color. I normally just get plain nude, but I decided to switch it up a little because I was getting bored with it, and that's what they look like. I think they look cool. I'll insert like a clip of with the flash and stuff. I love having my nails done. All right, I'll see you guys. I also am going to be getting my hair done, but that's going to be in Jersey, so I won't have my whole fancy filming set up, and that'll probably all be on my phone, but I am so excited to get my hair done. You guys have no idea. I've probably talked about it in like all the videos leading up to this and you're tired of hearing about it. And I've actually had a lot of people compliment me on this hair color. You guys are crazy. No, I'm just kidding. I just personally cannot stand warm toned hair. I hate it. I hate how it looks. Some people can pull it off. I do not think I'm one of those people. I love it when my hair is ashy, and for some reason the people in Savannah who do hair just don't understand what that word means. So every time I get it done, I come home with like orangey, brassy red tones in my hair. So I've been working really hard to grow out my roots so that this lady I go to in Jersey, I'll probably ask her if I can film. Her name's Lacey. She's awesome. I'll give her a little shout out down below if you guys are in that area. But she did my hair really awesome last time, but it was just like temporary dye. So I'm gonna go this time and get it permanently done so I just don't have to worry about it anymore. And we're gonna match my roots and possibly do a little bit of highlighting just to kind of blend this craziness. So I'll definitely put a clip of that in. The last thing I do that I can't do myself at home is I get waxed. I love getting my armpits and like bikini line waxed because I'm so sensitive to razor burn, and like it's just the worst. I'm sure you guys have maybe noticed, probably not. I doubt anyone's looking at my armpits in videos, but I notice like if I'm doing hair tutorials and things of that nature, and I just have red bumps like all over my armpits, and I hate it because like I just get so self-conscious, and I always end up wearing shirts that are like long sleeves or whatever. So that's just something that helps me feel a little bit more confident on camera. All right, you guys, so I just came from my wax appointment, and I probably will insert a clip of what it looks like inside. It's so cute. I'm not gonna say where it is though, because like, I don't know. I don't want people to know we're irregular. There's weirdos on YouTube. Now we'll just go ahead and get into what I do for myself at home. So okay, so next in my routine is my eyebrows. Now, I get a lot of questions on these bad boys. They're really not looking too bad right now, and that's because I maintain my eyebrows on a daily basis. But I just wanted to talk a little bit about what I do for that. So, I don't get them done, I do them myself. And I get a lot of questions about them. So I just wanted to talk about them. I literally don't even need to do them right now because I maintain my eyebrows kind of on a daily basis. Every time I do my makeup, I just quickly pluck any little stray guys that are there, and I always trim these little front hairs, which that's what I'm going to be doing right now because that's really all they need. So as you can see, I've got a few little stray guys. Focus. What the heck? There. I've got a few little stray guys, so I'm just gonna be trimming those. That's my eyebrows. So pretty much everything else I do kind of is like in the bathroom when I'm in the shower. I'm not gonna take you guys in there though. I'm just gonna like explain what I do. So first thing I'll do is I'll shower and just wash my body, and then I'll turn it off and I'll take a bath because I just love baths. I think they're so relaxing and pampering. And I'll pour in some, these are like the bath salts I use, but I put those in and they really help soften up my skin. And then I'll take an exfoliating mitt and I will exfoliate my body from like neck down. Really scrub it like super hard because I am going to be doing a fake tan. So yeah, and that's what I do for that. And it also really helps. I'm going to be painting my toes myself because I only get a pedicure, I would say once every 2 months because my feet aren't super like crusty. But the nail polish does chip quite a bit, so I'll just get a pedicure every like 2 months instead of like every time I get my nails done. And I just give myself like a little mini one. I'll trim my cuticles and I will paint them. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. It also helps save a lot of money, so I'm gonna paint my toes, and taking the bath just really helps soften up the cuticles and helps me push them back and things like that. I'm not gonna film my toes because, like, I don't know, there's just weirdos out there. Like, some people really don't like feet, and then some people
Like feet a little too much.
if you know what I mean. So whatever, I'll just save you guys that visual. I'll see you guys after I get out of the bath with the rest of my routine. All right, so I am out of the shower. It's been about an hour. I usually like to wait about that long because that's about how long it takes for your pores to close after the shower, and also for like any lotions or anything to kind of settle into your skin. I don't put lotion all over my body when I'm gonna fake tan. I just put it on my hands, my face, and any dry areas. So my elbow, my knees, my elbows, I have 2 of those. And I do my armpits as well, because I'll put a picture here, but a lot of the times I notice girls have like weird dark armpits whenever they do their fake tan. So that's what I do to avoid that. And now I'll just I'm gonna do my whole body. It's like really self-explanatory, but then I'm gonna show you guys how I do my face because that's a little bit different. So yeah. So I did my fake tan. I doubt you can tell. It hasn't developed, but it's also not a very dark tan. It's like a medium, and I still have quite a bit of tan left over from summer. But yeah, I just wanted like a little extra boost to make me look a little more glowy. And now I'm gonna show you guys how I do my face and my hands. So yeah. So what you wanna do, oh dear. What you wanna do is just take like a really fluffy brush, clean one preferably, make sure you freshly lotion your hands. Put a little teeny bit on the brush and rub it on your mitt, and then you're just gonna brush it on really thinly. And honestly, to me, I'd rather have no tan on my hands than have like crusty looking fake tan hands. So I just do a really, really, really thin, undetectable layer, and then I actually only let them develop for like 2 hours, and then I wash my hands. And always make sure to bend your knuckles rather than open them, so you can get in all the little cracks and crevices. Also, I forgot to mention the fake tan I'm using is just the classic tan from Saint Tropez. Okay, now I'm gonna do my face. So the trick with your face is you also want to treat it the same as your hands, have it moisturized. And the hard part about doing your face is that if you have any dry patches, so like all these little pimples I have are gonna get darker. So the thing I do to avoid that is I put the fake tan on, and then I have a Q-tip wet and ready to remove the fake tan from those little spots because I don't want them to get darker. Sorry if you can hear my fan, but I'm so hot, and you cannot sweat while you have fake tan on or you're gonna get like drips, and I was scared of getting those. Also, don't cry or else this will happen. So yeah, all I do for that, I take the same little brush, and this is the weird part, I literally only apply it on my forehead, and I do a little bit on my jawline just to make sure I blend my neck, but you'll see why in a second. And I blend it straight into the hairline because I'm gonna wash my hair tomorrow anyways, and I don't want any weird looking, you know, lines. I'm gonna go in with my wet Q-tip and get all those little spots. Alright, so only do my forehead, and I know that might seem a little weird, but now I will show you why. And it is because I also use my fake tan as a fake freckle situation. And if I put tan all over my face, then my face is going to be the same color as those freckles, and they won't hardly show up. I could get a darker tan, but like I'm not going to do that just for freckles. So I'll show you guys how I do those. I also show how I did them in my Vogue like skincare get ready with me. So I don't know why I mentioned that, but that's what I did. Okay, so that is how, oh wait, and then whatever's left on the brush, I just take on my jawline just to really feather out whatever I had on my neck, just blend it up. And I'll put a little tiny bit on under my cheeks. That is how I do my fake tan. So then tomorrow I'll wake up and wash this off. Okay, I just honestly I'm filming this because I can't remember if I filmed an outro or not, but that concludes my maintenance routine. I hope you guys found it somewhat interesting. Look how pretty the nails are. I love them. I'm like obsessed. I feel like a fairy or something. But yes, that is my maintenance routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and be sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And definitely hit the little bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.